Guys, welcome to my video. So in this video I am going to teach you how to hide subscriber on YouTube. So without any random step, let's me get started on the video. To hide a YouTube subscriber, you have to go on youtube.com from your any browser. So in my case I am using Chrome browser. You can use anyone. Okay, from here in this and search youtube.com, and you will be see this and make a I'm using mobile, so make sure you make a desktop version. To do this, just click on desktop side and you will be redirected on this. From here, click on your profile icon, YouTube profile icon. From here, click on YouTube Studio. Then you will be redirected to this studio.youtube.com screen, and please make sure that if you have a YouTube Studio application on your phone, then you will be redirected to your application. So make sure you uninstall that for now and do this. Okay, so after you came here, just you will receive this screen, and guys, you can see I only have 107 subscribers. So make sure you help me to reach 1k subscriber, because you are a YouTuber and you know how hard feeling it is when you don't have 1k subscribers. So guys, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so after you came here, just click on this setting icon on the bottom. Okay, this icon, and from here just click on channel, and this channel, and from here click on advanced setting, and here is the display number of YouTube subscribe to my channel. So in my case I am displaying it. So to hide, just untick it. Okay, untick it and click on save. So you can see my change setting is changed. So